lost your damn mind.
Even the Batmobile don't hold the road like this bitch.
Tight pants and fast cars don't make you Batman, Mike. Buzz! Get me the fuck out of this car. Mike, we got more time behind us than in front.
Man, please. I'm gonna be running down criminals till I'm 100.
Not me. I'm retiring. What happened to Bad Boys for Life?
It's time we be good men.
It's Bad Boys for Life.
Who the fuck wants to sing that song?
Mike, I'm putting you on a new team. You're working with Ammo now.
Cap, Ammo is a high school musical boy band with guns.
You look great, Grandpa.
So you're that guy.
There's always one.
Right up till there's not.
That's what I like, teamwork.
I'm the definition of half man, half drugs, master clubs, bad boy, that's what's up.
Marcus, somebody's trying to kill me.
Who wants to kill you?
I don't trust a person that don't want to kill him. Hell, put my name up there.
Thanks a lot. We got it, Marcus. We appreciate it.
But family is the only thing that matters. So I'm not letting you go on a suicide mission alone. One last time.
One last time.
It's official. I survived what I've been through. Y'all got drama, the saga continues. Go win, nowhere. We ain't.
Oh, shit!
Get in! There's a pink ball! Let's go! Come on, let's go!
Yes! No! Where the hell are you getting all these helicopters? Mike! Oh, this is my wife's car.
Cover the front door!
She knows. She always knows.
Bad boy for life.